reconciliation to feel complete. I don't need answers to find